Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a paper piecing from my page kit number 7. It's called Sweet Treats, and this is the Cupcake. So this one is pretty simple. We're just going to lay these out here. And it's a good idea to lay them out first, so that you can tell that that it's right side up. Because like this paper, for instance, is smooth. So it might go this way, which also looks good. But I think it looked better the other way. Huh, I thought it looked good the other way. Well, now that's tricky. Looks a little off there, so maybe it does go this way. Well then, it's a good thing I checked. Oh, yeah, that looks much better. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to lay this one down first, because when I lay this down, I might not be sure how. I'm just going to leave that red one there and then lay this one down. This is one of my older kits. I've actually had this for a while now. So if you have one of my older kits, these are actually all separate pieces. So I've recently gone ahead and attached 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces to make it one, make it a lot easier for assembly. And then we're just going to use a black marker. I'm going to use the Zig Writer in this case, but let me go ahead and finish gluing all the pieces down. Okay, now these look like they're just straight ovals, but I'm gonna double check. Don't think it matters. I think that's fine. Okay, and the glue I am using is by Art Glitter. It's Designer Dries Clear Liquid Adhesive. Okay, now this pen has a fine tip, and it has a thick tip. Now because these lines are pretty far apart in between, I'm going to go ahead and use the thicker tip. Although actually, wait a minute, right here it's kind of thin. I don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to use the thin and just go like that. I wonder if I should just use the thin. I don't know. I'm kind of worried. Okay. If you're unsure, go with the thin first, because you could fill it in. Because I'm afraid if I do the thick one, it might go out too far. that's it. We are done. So I'll go ahead and give you a closer look. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and please click that bell for notifications. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.